Hello, everybody. Welcome back. All right, so we're going to talk about some Bitcoin dominance. And I don't know, this is not financial advice, but I think it's going to be starting to rev up here in a little bit. I think it's time to start accumulating and get ready for the next halving. So let's take a look at this. This is the next halving chart right here, right? 2024, this white line at the end. And these are just some predictions here by this chart. So by 2024, Bitcoin's going to be like 35,000. But by 2025, we're talking like 150,000. So what do you think? We're right here right now, 2023. We're pretty much right here, give or take. So we're on the road, right, to 35,000. We're pretty much there. We're at 29. Now, you look throughout history here. What's all this? Accumulation phase, right? Except near the beginning where it exploded. But all these other patterns here, accumulation phase. And then after the halving, there's a bit of an explosion, right? So this is what I'm going to do. From here on out, I'm going to start accumulating Bitcoin and a few other choice altcoins, especially Cardano. So Bitcoin, primed to explode 65% before triggering altcoin season, predicts top analyst. Here's the timeline. Popular crypto analyst and trader Kevin Svensson is expressing bullish sentiment on Bitcoin over the coming weeks. Like I just shown you guys, right? The chart, it's looking pretty good. Hopefully, history repeats itself, but you know what? We have something bigger going on. We have bank issues, right? We've never really had that, except in the 2008 crash, where Bitcoin was invented just for this such occasion. So this chart could be irrelevant. We could actually see Bitcoin skyrocket to like levels we haven't even seen before and change the overall structure of its chart for the past 10 years. This could happen. So Svensson tells us 71,000 YouTube subscribers that Bitcoin could go parabolic if it repeats a similar pattern seen months before the last halving. And you also have to take into account the banking system, right? It's not looking too good. The rates. All this is new to the economic system right now. We haven't seen this kind of stuff happen since like the Great Depression, 2008. This is a big moment for Bitcoin. It could shine. According to popular crypto analysts, the trader Bitcoin could surge by over 65% from the current level. Bitcoin is now creating a higher low right along our parabolic curve, which could create the next major up impulse up towards 48,000. That means that Bitcoin in theory has another 65% from here to the next target of 48,000. That's a 65% move. That is a tremendous opportunity if it does in fact play out, right? And I think we really do have a good chance of seeing that play out with the banking system right now. So Bitcoin right now, it says 28, but it's 29. According to Svensson, altcoins could start rallying if and after Bitcoin has broken out to just under 50,000, in line with Bitcoin's behavior months before the previous halving. Yeah, see, the halving has a big impact on the markets. Altcoins, Bitcoin is always the first mover, right? Altcoins, they follow soon after. If Bitcoin dominance does break out on this next run, if we run towards 48,000, this is where I think the altcoins would begin to see major moves after that run. And this is the same thing that occurred in 2019. What I'm looking for here is for Bitcoin dominance to see one final blow off top before getting some sort of trend down, and then alt season could begin at that point. Oh yeah. When altcoins could start rallying, Svensson says, somewhere in June, July is when getting into the altcoin market may be the best option, or even sooner if you want to front run that whole idea. Yeah. Because right now we can see Bitcoin's dominance is starting to surge, right? So Bitcoin's outperformance during the banking crisis indicates the cryptocurrency is the anti-dollar liquid play for investors, one portfolio manager said. Liquid, right? If you have that in your own possession, done. Click of a button, you can move that sucker around, no problem. Sell it, buy it, whatever you got to do. Hedge against the system, right? So Bitcoin's dominance is starting to like surge here. This is some really good indicators for what's about to happen. All right, so whales in Cardano. So this is what I was talking about before, starting to accumulate. This looks like it might be the right time. I think the bottoms have happened. I think from here on out, it's going to be like a sideways movement, up, down, sideways for a little while. And then at one point, it's going to break out if history repeats itself, right? So this is what the whales are doing in Cardano for a little while now. They've been scooping up Cardano at some really nice prices lately. All right, so let's check out this article. According to a report from cryptocurrency intelligence portal Into the Block, large buyers, also known as bulls, have been actively purchasing the Cardano token, ADA, over the past 2 days. The report reveals that more than 45.73 billion ADA have been purchased by these big buyers since Tuesday. Damn. This is 48.36 million more tokens than were sold by equally large sellers, also known as bears. These numbers are reflected on the ADA price chart, which shows that the price has consolidated above 38 cents. ADA, after falling for the last 15 days, has not fallen below. Buying activity on Tuesday saw the price of the Cardano token rise by 2.6% at one point. This signals that the 38 cents level has become an area of interest for buyers, where the bulls are willing to accept the risk and commit purchases. Yeah, it seems like a pretty round good number to me, that 30 cents area, right? 35, 38. Cardano seems to be pretty strong around there. However, the ratio of bulls to bears of Cardano remains equal, with 56 addresses on each side. It is important to note that Into the Block only counts addresses that buy or sell at least 1% of a token's daily trading volume. On the one hand, the consolidation of the price above 38 cents indicates a strong support level, exactly, which could provide a base for future price increases. On the other hand, the equal ratio of bulls to bears means that the future direction of ADA's price remains uncertain and will depend on market conditions and other factors. The Bitcoin halving and the banking crisis. So bears accumulating, the bulls. The bulls have been accumulating Cardano for like weeks now, a month and a half. They've just been buying up as much Cardano as they can get their hands on. And I think it's for good reason. Cardano is way better. Have you seen some of the Ethereum transaction costs lately? Wow. One guy did something for $200 in NFT, and it cost him like $50 in the transaction fee. Ethereum sucks. Anyway, that's just my personal opinion. So what do you guys think? Is it accumulation time? Is it time to start rallying? Getting the bulls out? Check it out. If history repeats itself, we could see ourselves by 2025? Up in here, $150,000. But with the banking crisis, that could easily turn into $500,000. What do you think? All right, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment. This is the Crypto Realm. You're still early. Play hard, trade smart. Hello, fellow adventurers. Are you tired of lugging around those big, heavy, and noisy generators on your camping trips? Well, you're in luck. The Bluetti generator is here to make your life easier and your camping experience more enjoyable. Let me tell you, these generators are game changers. They're ultra portable and lightweight, making them perfect for taking on the go. And don't be fooled by their small size. These little guys pack a powerful punch. You can power up your devices, lights, and even small appliances like blenders or coffee makers, all with ease. But here's the best part. The Bluetti generators are super quiet. That's right, no more noisy interruptions to your peaceful camping experience. You can power up your gadgets without disturbing the peace and quiet of the great outdoors. And the utility of these generators doesn't stop there. They're also great for emergency backup power during power outages or natural disasters. Keep your lights on and your devices charged, no matter what life throws your way. So why settle for those clunky, noisy, and heavy generators when you can have a portable and powerful solution that makes your camping life easy? In our pinned comments, you will find a link to Bluetti. Check them out today.